on all the Canon machines, any issues you will have with the machine, with the printer itself, it will come with the support code. The support code related with the paper jam is 1303. In order to remove the paper jam from the machine, I will suggest you first of all check inside the machine and make sure the paper is not halfway through or hasn't already reached the output bin. What we will have to do, close the hatch if you are happy there is no paper inside the machine, remove all the paper from the cassette. In our case, we do have still a piece of paper jam in the printer. Just make sure you switch off, disconnect the machine, you power it off, disconnect the power cable, and then instead of pulling the printer from the machine, from the front side of the printer, check the back of the machine where it will be easier to access the paper. As you can see, it's an arrow in there which will show you to press the hatch and you will see the paper jam. The easiest way is to try to remove the paper in this way. In that, if removing the paper in the way how the paper is fed, you don't have any risk of damaging the paper feed sensor. It's a very sensitive part in the machine. It's just a piece of plastic which can be damaged very easily if you try to remove the paper from the cassette. Then I will demonstrate you how to remove. Normally it requires a little care. Also, you can pull the paper tray out and work from underneath the printer, which will give you a bit more access. That's in case you have a very heavy paper jam. The cassette can be pulled. It's always best not to put a lot of pressure in order not to damage the paper feed sensor. Then, now that we have removed the paper jam, we can put the machine together. This will clip back on, and the cassette paper tray, it can go back. And now we have removed the paper jam, and once we turn the machine on, power it back on, we should see that message has cleared. And there shouldn't be any error codes on the printer itself. Okay.